Beğendik ve Soner Alper'e welcome, good evening. This year we had very many good projects, and as the jury it was difficult for us to make a choice, but unanimously we decided to give this year's, it's not an award, it's a support to the project which we found was cinematographically the most developed one, and for the other projects we thought that they needed a little bit more time to develop their projects, which were also very strong. So this year support goes to wonderful, very nice, from America to Bitlis, and the director is in Dink and Soner Alper, and it's actually based on the story of William Saroyan. Efendim, ikinci destek, küçük de olsa bir desteğimiz var. O destek de A New Year's Eve Journey projesine gidiyor. Projenin sahibi yönetmen Arthur Bakhtaryan. Bu projeye de küçük de olsa bir destek veriyoruz. And the second support, which is a small support, goes to A New Year's Eve Journey, and the directors are Arthur Bakhtaryan. Yes. And now I think we can go with the party.